take this and you put like this. Oh, that's heavy. People who live in a hard condition, they know how to share love between them. But those who have the so-called enough money, bless. So, how you convinced her to be your? Let me tell you what is happening here. So, the person who is eating there, she doesn't know that I'm here. Oh, she doesn't recognize me. Oh, welcome to Legazpi. First, I'm gonna show you around the city, but mostly, look at this behind me here. Look, I think this place is very famous. It's called Jolly Cod, kind of Jollibee style, but I don't know exactly what they have there. What do they sell there?
Some foods.
What type?
Like Filipino foods.
You like a fried chicken?
Yes.
It's good?
It's good.
It's all packed. All these are students. Are you a student?
Yes.
Where?
Divine College.
Oh, Divine College. It's a Catholic church. It's a Catholic.
Yes.
What do you study there?
Information technology.
Ah, so you wanna do cyber things?
Yes, yes.
Computer? Wow. Good job. How old are you?
I'm 18.
18. You're still very young. So what do you wanna do after?
I'm gonna do some
Website. Maybe we'll do my website. And maybe you can do the website for Jolly Cod. You take care. I'm gonna go eat too. I wanna eat something there. I think you know one more thing is that here I'm the only one black. So when I get inside there, they're gonna be kind of shy or amazed, especially bringing a camera with me. Let me see. I'm gonna eat, then I will take you the rest part of the city so that you can see what Legazpi looks like. Oh my goodness. Ooh. They have a fish. They have vegetables. Most of these are students. Are you a student too? No? Hey, is that your mama? Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that's really cool. So those are the one I'm gonna go try inside here, and you will see the reaction of people. I'm already excited. Sure, I'm already excited. So, how many I can finish?
At least one, sir.
Just one? Yeah. Okay. So if I don't finish that food, what will happen? So this is Nai. Lai.
Yes.
And this is tuna, grilled tuna. And that santol.
Yes. This one is vegetables.
And this
Fish soup.
fish soup.
Free soup.
And that is rice is life
Yes.
in the Philippines. Okay. Thank you so much. So I can carry it. Let me carry it. Thank you so much. You have the spoon? Okay. Thank you. Wow, look what I get. I'm not sure I'm gonna finish it. Okay, let's see. Let's go try. I'm gonna look for someone where someone is sitting. That lady there. Can I sit with you? You wanna me sit here? Okay. Water? It's okay. Just look at this space here. It is so big. Look at all this here. Wow. Dentist. And study that program is very hard here. How did you pay? Your parents?
Yeah, the money's from my parents. Last summer I tried to look for a job and tried to put my efficiency.
Of course, was speak like his mother. Hindi tama ba English? Tama ba English?
So that girl you saw there, she's becoming a dentist.
How long have you been here?
And this is our last year.
How long have you been here?
2 nights? 3. 3 nights. Yeah. 3 nights.
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Texas?
Yeah. I'm from Texas.
How long was your flight from Texas?
Say it again.
How long was your flight from Texas?
Oh, the total plus layover 32.
32 hours.
Yeah, total plus layover. Yeah. So, how you convinced her to be your girlfriend?
On the system.
He's in dental clinic too?
No.
Is that no?
I'm a criminology student.
Oh, so you will be protecting her somehow. If she does some fraud and billing, so you will do that. So, do you think that paying for medical school here is very hard, right?
Yeah.
It's very hard.
Okay. Yeah.
You study in a private,
Yeah. AMEC.
divine?
No, AMEC. Agro Medical Educational Center.
Is that Adventist? Adventist school?
No, it's near Bicol University. Have you been there?
At the public? At the government?
Have you been to Bicol University?
Oh, so it's government,
No, it's
private.
private. It's near the AMEC. It's
So who owns it? Who owns the school?
it's Dr. Agua. Dr. Agua. So I think she's big popular here. She owns a lot of properties around here.
She's a person.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
She owns the school.
Yeah.
How much is the program a year? You?
Sorry.
Sorry to interrupt. I'm just curious.
Actually, it differs from every year level. The tuition fee increases.
Oh,
So the higher the level, the higher the tuition fee.
how much is the last one you're having?
The last one that I have is around 45,000. 46.
45,000 a year?
No, per sem.
Per sem.
Half a year, yes.
And the 2 sem? So that's like a 90K,
More or less, yeah.
close to 100.
Yeah. And the materials we have to use for the clinic is different from the tuition fee. So it's like another 100 for the materials. So it's not that much.
Someone told me that nursing school is like a 100K a year.
I think it varies. It depends on what school you're in.
So guys, I just finished to eat. It's just incredible. The food was so delicious. How are you doing, guys? Is that your wife?
Yes.
Big smile. Big smile. So anyway, I'm going to this place. I was there one night before. So I'm gonna meet this lady who really challenged my mind. She was telling me about, she wanted to give me rice. I was just asking about the rice, and she wanted to give me rice. So I bought for her rice, but I don't think that it's enough. That traffic there. Look here, my friend.
Okay.
Wow, nice camera.
Oh, thank you. It's as beautiful as you are.
You're from?
I'm from America.
You're from America.
Yeah, where are you from?
Oh, I'm from the Philippines. You're in Bicol region.
You guys are, yeah. Yeah, you guys
Yeah.
on school? You come from school?
Just finished school.
You working
We
now?
graduated from college.
You working now?
Not yet. We're studying cookery.
To cook?
Yeah, from I mean at Miriam College.
Culinary?
Yeah.
You will cook adobo pepino?
You like adobo pepino?
I don't know that there is no adobo pepino. It's just a game job. So what did you do in college?
I study sociology. Sociology. Yeah.
Oh, you study sociology.
She studied hotel and management, right?
Hospitality management.
Oh yeah, I have my brother's daughter. Yeah, two of them
Same
studying that.
degree.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So what you do now?
We're studying cookery for job purposes.
So your degree in social studies is not helping.
It's not that really.
So you graduated, but it's why you don't do sociology as work.
Actually, sociology here in the Philippines is not much kind of a famous course here in the Philippines.
Yeah,
So
to get job
yeah,
is hard.
it's not known here that much here in the Philippines.
But culinary, you think you will get job?
It's for some reason it's just one of the opportunities that we found here in the Legazpi.
Where you from?
Here, I
Here in
live
Legazpi?
Yeah, there's so many actually. Even if you live here in Legazpi, you actually still have districts. Do you know districts, sitios,
Yeah.
barangay, something like that?
So now you're doing what you're doing now is just it's like a training for you to get a job.
Yes. Yeah.
But in another way, your degree is not doing anything.
Not related at all.
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. Yeah.
So if you will go back, before that degree, you will do another kind of program that will get you a job. You regret what you did anyway.
No, not really, not at all. Actually, sociology is a very good course. We study social behavior and behavior of people, social trends, social problems, like something like that. It always connects.
My oldest brother
Yeah.
studied social sciences as well,
Oh, nice.
and my sister too.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, that's really cool. But in any way, both of you gonna work in a kind of in a food area,
yeah.
and there's them too.
For some reason, we just happen to be there.
Oh,
Yeah.
but you pay money.
Now it's for free
It's free.
Yeah, it's free.
from the government.
Yeah.
Oh, from the government.
So you do vlogging here and interviewing random people.
I've been in a 17. Yeah, I interview random people. That's a good way to say it. So how come you know English even better than mine?
Yeah. Hello.
Why you know
English is
English?
actually second language of the Filipinos.
Not every Filipino speaks good English. Not everyone. Some of them I met them and they can't say anything. Young people.
I think they're just shy, you know.
Really?
Yeah, they do understand.
Why you're not shy? Because of the program you study?
I'm expected to speak. I'm expected to speak, especially you are a foreigner, and of course, you expect people to, in some way, to understand you in a foreign place.
Have you ever spoken to a black man before, or this is your first time?
I think this is my first time.
Your
Actually,
first
you're
time?
kind of unique.
It's unique.
You're kind of unique.
How do you feel?
You're actually great. I didn't know that you're actually from America.
Yeah.
Do you have some relatives from
Africa.
besides America? You know?
Yeah, Africa. I do.
Africa.
I was born, even though I'm an American now, but I was born in Africa.
Oh, you were born in Africa.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's actually nice.
You study with her too?
No.
I love mostly fish at the night market,
Where
but not bangus. No bangus.
Galunggong. You know galunggong?
Tilapia.
Yellowfin, tuna.
Yeah, I ate tuna today.
Oh, you had tuna today.
So,
You love fish.
Yeah. So I saw a restaurant here. Is there another restaurant? A eatery
In the mall.
in the mall?
Oh, inside.
What is the mall? SM Mall?
Ayala Mall.
Ayala Mall.
Local store.
Local people.
Yeah.
Oh, actually. Carinderia, you mean Carinderia? It's called Carinderia here.
I don't know Calendaria.
Pointing food. That
Yeah,
is
though you eat there, you help them. So let's see a place we can have food.
Capitalize, you mean?
Yeah,
Capitalization.
kind of, yes. She's very smart.
Huh?
She's very smart.
Yes, very smart. I'm not very smart. And then that one, the one girl also, she's just very smart also.
You like those?
Have you tried that one?
Have you?
Street food.
Yes, street
Let's
food.
go try.
Yeah, that is a street food. Good
Let's go try.
street food.
Yeah, let's go try this. You like?
I'm fine.
No, it looks like you don't like. Oh, yeah.
Fine, that's fine.
She doesn't like.
Oh, no, I'm actually good. I'm actually good.
So you're not going to eat?
I'm actually still full.
Are you good to eat that?
I do eat.
Okay, let's go eat.
Not necessarily because a lot of Filipinos are working hard to earn.
Can you tell them get it what they want? I will pay.
Oh, okay. Ano daw yung gusto niyo daw? Ano yung gusto niyo? Yeah. Do you know what this? Remember eating that?
Is that donut?
No, it's not donut. It's called kwek kwek. It's egg coated with flour, with orange.
Kwek kwek.
Oh, kwek kwek. It's called kwek kwek.
My favorite is kwek kwek.
Yeah.
Can you get what you want?
This one.
Only one?
Yeah.
Why? It's dinner time. Get everything.
You
I'm gonna pay. Yeah, I will pay. Get everything you want.
you cannot be.
Don't be shy, okay?
Oh, you get
No shy for stomach.
this one.
She's taking me picture.
One only.
She's taking me picture.
How did I get here?
Not two. No. Tell her not to.
What's your YouTuber name? Lovers of flavors.
Clavers. Yeah, you will see me with a dog.
Oh. It's actually cool.
So this person here speaks really good English, better than me. You know, English is my sixth
Wow, that's a
language.
compliment.
Yeah, English is my sixth language.
Really?
Yeah,
What can you teach us? African?
I speak more five.
Wow, that's nice. What is it?
Your turn. Your turn.
Oh, your turn. You pick up what do you want, right? Thank you so much for this. And then you pay all me.
Yeah, I'm gonna pay. Yeah, it's my treat.
That's very generous of you.
Oh yeah. He who gives is blessed more than he who receives.
Yeah, Filipinos like libre, you know. Libre is called treat.
Oh, that's what we call it.
Sorry, I'm just fascinated with your kind of vlogging. That
How come?
no, not all. We do. I really see foreigners doing that kind of thing here in the Bicol, so it's just great to see you here.
They do it different.
No, very rare, you know.
Oh, very rare. Foreigners come here.
It's good you come here.
Oh yeah, I like here.
Great.
I like
See you here.
Yeah?
Do you like spicy?
Do you?
Yeah, Bicol.
I love spicy.
Oh, ma'am. Oh, she's there. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Your turn.
This only. And then list. How much?
Yeah, let's finish first.
Yeah.
No, I'm actually. Can I just take it home?
Yeah, you can take it home.
Yeah. I will just take it home. I'm just
Yeah.
really shy eating. But it's
Really?
yeah, I'm just gonna take it home so you won't feel
Yeah,
it.
that's alright.
Let it mix it with flour and then you fry it and then voila.
It's your turn.
It's my turn?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take it.
So we're having, and this is the inner sal, right? It's like inner sal.
This one?
No. It's what?
Inasal is chicken barbecue.
Oh. Okay. So this kind of selling is what?
This one's street food.
Street food.
Just a street food.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're having a street food party here.
Magkano po dito?
Atin po.
You don't mind how much you're gonna pay?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Okay.
Look at it.
Get more. Okay, I think that's enough for me.
Is that going to be a dinner?
That's just snack. Eat healthier dinner.
So where are you going to eat dinner?
At home.
Home?
Yeah, home.
You gonna cook?
Yeah,
Yes.
usually Filipino.
We learn cookery so we can cook better at home.
That's true. Anyway, what is the monument called here?
KKK.
They call it what?
KKK.
KKK?
Yes.
Flower club.
1, 2, 3. The pa, 1, 2, 3.
That's our president.
Your president?
From our class. From our cookery class.
Hello, Pooh. How you doing, my friend?
Video.
Yeah. How you doing, my friend? Video, me and you?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Me and you? Is posing for picture. So, folks, this is where I'm gonna go to visit the lady, and the guy is passing in front of my camera. He doesn't care. The second one passing in front of my camera. That's okay. So I'm going to see a lady here. When I came here, I asked her if she can give me bugas, which is rice. And she's an old lady, and she accepted that she's gonna give me rice. So again, I was so touched with that. So I'm gonna come here, and I will show you the video. I didn't upload it yet. The video that I came and asking her if she can give me rice, and she was willing to do that. And I asked her why. She responded in their language. Folks, I just had a bad news here. So the lady that I'm visiting, she's kind of a grammar. So her husband is in the hospital. That's really a bad news. But she might be home, right? She's home?
Maybe
Maybe.
this evening or sometimes in the afternoon just to cook the food for her husband.
Yeah. She still sells lugaw?
And this time
No.
because she is busy.
Taking for her husband care.
Yes, in the
Okay.
hospital.
Okay.
Just wait.
I'm gonna wait for you because I need a question for you.
Okay.
Yeah. So she's one of this barangay is called Victory Village. It's well known here. It's you find the people, even though they live in difficulties, but they can still smile, and that's something that challenged my mind a lot. So I'm gonna wait for this lady here. She's one of the officials. So she's gonna tell me some of the tip because I came with some gift, a big luggage, which I need to give here. So she's gonna give me some tip if it's something that I can do immediately at the village inside, or I can still go to where they play basketball. But in any way, the bad news is that the lady I'm coming to visit, her husband is now in the hospital, and but I have a very good gift for her, and I was thinking I'm gonna support her business, but I don't know how things are gonna work. I don't know, but I will ask when I go there. So I'm gonna take out and you are the barangay.
Yes, that is my picture.
Oh, that's your picture.
Salamat sa gabos na tiwala asing suporta.
Oh,
This was last
that's that here. Oh, that's you there. Oh yeah. Oh, that's you there. Very
That's already my 35 years in service as Barangay Kagawad.
35 years
I
in service.
started as Barangay SK Chairman, Barangay Secretary, Kagawad. Then I take a rest and another run, Kagawad. And this is my last term.
You will
35
not
years.
serve again? You're gonna run again or you will not serve again? You wanna retire?
No, if I'm going to run, it should be another position.
Oh.
I cannot run anymore as Kagawad. Maybe barangay captain, like that.
okay.
Or if I did not plan or did not run, I will going to take a rest for 3 years.
Oh, you need to take rest for 3 years. So it's a good
Yes.
process. That's really good. Democracy.
Yes,
Yeah, I love that. So anyway, I just got the news. So that news of her husband is in hospital, but I asked that lady, very smart lady. She told me that her husband is in hospital. I can just give a little to support her as the husband is in hospital and save another money when the husband is out of the hospital. She can run her business because now the business is gone. The capital is gone, and the only thing that they were using was, sorry for the zoom in and out, the only thing they were using for surviving is what the lady was using to sell the lugao. So they live in this area. It's really tough to believe. Just watch where they live. How are you doing, sir? Do you know Omephilia selling lugao, the lady? Selling lugao.
Over there.
No, I'm looking for Omephilia, the lady selling lugao. Eh? What's the name?
Opilya.
Yeah, has a husband is in hospital.
Adopin.
What's her name? Ophelia, yeah.
Opilya, Gonzales.
So this guy is gonna go show.
Sir, in the hospital.
He's in the hospital? Yeah. Man, just look where these people live. You're gonna be surprised. Look. The guy just disappeared. Oop, it's there. Oh, it's here. Yeah. So they're trying to call her, and we can see what to do. Ophelia?
He was in the hospital.
She went to hospital? Oh, I remember you. So, yeah, they just told me that her husband is in hospital. And how can I see her? I was here, I asked a lady if she has rice, and that lady said no. And I was seeing rice in her house, but you know, sometimes they may be shy to see me, and they get I'm a black person, and being in this village, but some of them have never ever seen a black person before. So I'm gonna go to give her rice. That's what I wanna do, and just to show kindness. It's not kind of. It's the way to show people that you don't know who you're saying that you don't want to give. And sometimes the foreigner or the stranger who are coming to you, they may be your blessings, you never know. So all the time be kind. Be kind to people. It's really good. And especially when I'm here, I'm so happy. All these people here, they are really good people. You can see. So the lady, I'm gonna see she's there. I just got the rice here, and I'm gonna go there At the time I was here, she was a little bit sick, but hopefully she recovered. So I'm gonna go there. Looks like a hamburger. Hamburger?
Yes. English.
Very rich. No problem. How much I add?
Wait.
Eh?
I will.
You will count? Okay. They were relaxing there. On that. How do you call this?
Duyan.
Duyan?
Yeah. Swing.
Oh,
In English.
not a duran.
Like a chill.
Duyan.
Like a chill.
Chill. Let me go see. You say her name is who again? You forgot?
Melody.
Melody? Okay. Let me go see that guy. Hey, I'm gonna follow you. I like your shoes. Wow, look at those shoes the guy is wearing here.
My cousin just give me this.
You are a boss. Your cousin?
Yeah.
For free?
Yeah.
Wow. Good. I'm gonna see where they're eating there. So I need to come back here because I've been told that there's a lady who bought for me Mountain Dew. Beer? Oh, Mountain Dew. Can I get some? You wanna buy me one?
Buy one.
For me? For me?
Which iPad you want?
Are you sure?
Which one?
Wow, she has good heart. Wow. I'm from America. Mountain Dew from America. Yeah. For me?
Sure.
Wow.
Cheers, sir.
So, let me tell you how Filipino are. How good Filipino are. You are not Filipino? But you are amazing. You are amazing. You just buy it for me. So, this person here just got me Mountain Dew. As you know, where I go, I like asking people, can you do for me something? You know what? Once they do something, showing them kindness. Yeah. Just saying thank you. Melody. She's here. So these guys here, they're working with the lady. She's a lady or is it he or she?
A lady.
A lady? Yeah, so Melody.
Yeah, lady. But
So she bought for me Mountain Dew for free. Me too, I want to go to surprise her. Yeah, so they say she want to eat somewhere there. Let me tell you what is happening here. So the person who is eating there, she doesn't know that I'm here. Oh, she doesn't recognize me. She bought for me a Mountain Dew for free. And she doesn't know that I'm here. So I'm gonna pay for her and her friend the food. But she has no idea that I'm the one. So how much? So you wanna return the money?
Thank you,
Oh, they can eat tomorrow? They can eat tomorrow? Okay. Sir, I have a question.
yes.
I'm looking for a person who helped me. I don't know where is this person here. This person here bought for me Mountain Dew. Who is this person?
That's hers.
No. Do you know this person bought for me Mountain Dew?
This one.
No? Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
That's hers.
See. Thank you so much for surprising me. I just come back again from America. I met you in March. And you bought for me Mountain Dew. You remember me?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Do you want to eat? No?
No. I want to eat what you cook.
What I want to cook, I cook.
Yeah, you cook adobo?
I cook adobo, and anything to cook.
Oh, okay. You have children?
Yes.
How many?
8 children.
for
Grandkids.
sister, for
And what do you do for work?
parking boy.
Oh, you're parking.
Yeah,
Oh, you tell those people to park
my back. Yes,
the bike
Your
or
bike.
tricycle.
20 pesos. 20 pesos.
So this is what he does for work, that guy. He's there. He's telling me that he just get the opportunity to make some money. So he's gonna carry those stuff. I'm gonna I wait for you here. You come, we drink Coca-Cola.
Okay.
I wait you here. Okay. So I'm gonna wait for him here, then we drink Coca-Cola. Just saw those load here. There he is. 61 years old. I'm gonna wait for him. Oh, go back to that. Yeah, here. Oh, slowly. Oh, so you're gonna put there? Oh, I see. Oh, it's heavy.
Yes.
Oh my goodness, it's heavy.
Here we go. Sama pong amigo.
That's a lot. So they say they're gonna pay him 100 peso. So that's around $2, which is not bad. And he doesn't get that every time, but I think it's a good deal. Wish you could see who is taking me the video. A very young little boy.
Come here, friend.
It's here?
Yes, door.
Iparadara ka ng camera.
So the place is very congested. The chairs?
Yes, sir.
This one here?
Yes. Thank you, friend.
Come over. That's guys.
Open door.
It's there?
Yes. Your friend.
Oh, that's there. No break.
No friend. Yes, yes, sir.
No? Oh. This?
Yes, yes. Okay.
So it looks like there are two different people.
That's correct.
That's good.
Okay, do. Ano yung delay ka ba ng ito? Kahit ang amigo?
Oh, so they have a store there.
Sure. Hey.
And this is what you're carrying. How many pounds is this? Oh my goodness. You take this and you put like this.
Good.
That's heavy. This good, no red dose. This way. He was asking for red dose.
Very big.
You don't have to finish it.
Very big.
Very big.
Red horse.
Yeah, you drink here, save home. And tomorrow. drink it, open.
Abo man ako ni painom mo sana kakabuyong da. You drank?
So, do you know what is happening? He's trying to save that. When I leave, he's gonna return and get red horse. Look what they're showing me here. Look, they're showing me this. This is a beer, popular beer. But I can't buy beer anyway, so I just bought that, and then he's gonna return it in the exchange anyway. Kid first. So I'm giving to the kids, and then all the people are asking to come here. You go one.
It's ako na eskulano.
Yeah, come on. Oh, this is cold. Who? Come.
Senyor, pwede, senyor.
Bless. Come. Bless po.
Eh, kagana mo bang dito?
Come po. Hey. This mine too? Mine?
Share your blessings.
Yeah. Here.
Bless to Papa.
Bless to Papa. Bless. Yeah.
Bless to your daddy.
Hey. Who else? Please. Oh, you share? Yeah, that's really good. Oh my goodness. Look what your dad did here. They just share the coke. Look, they're sharing. Yeah, that's really good.
Share the blessing.
Sure. That's really good. Oh my god. So the guy just shared the coke with others. They took the bag and they poured in it and they share with others. This is what I'm going to tell you, and it's just something very serious. People who live in a hard condition, they know how to share love between them. But those who have the so-called enough money or living, yeah, you are a good man. What's your name?
Joining.
Say it again.
Clear joining.
Okay, my name is Costa. Costa. Yeah. So you say this is Barangay 27.
20 there. 20. Barangay 20. 27 there.
27 from here to here. Yeah. And this one here.
Yeah.
This one here.
28. Barangay
28.
28.
And the all Victory Village.
All Victory there. 2.
Okay. So, and this guy is bringing me a chair. Thank you. Every time where I go, I will find a surprising situation. I came in this village to see the lady, and that's lady. When I came here, I was asking if she can give me some rice to eat, and she was ready to do that. Then she took me to her house. The house was very, very critical. Very critical. No doors, no windows, and they're living in a very critical situation. However, she was ready to feed me. And then I did what I was supposed to do. And then now, because she was telling me she's selling something called lugao. I think it's like a rice porridge or corn porridge, and then they put some salt in it. That's what she was selling. So in this Victory Village, people can still smile, but they are living in a hard condition. They can teach you what life means. So those who are back home in America or in other countries advanced, I think you should come here to learn some lesson of life, how people they can still have joy no matter situation they're living in. So unfortunately I didn't see that lady because she's now in a hospital. Her husband is in a hospital. So I was wondering if I can do my best to help her. But the barangay official, her name is Julie, very wonderful lady. She was telling me that, hey, if you want to help a little, then you can help more later to support her business. So, and that's what I'm gonna do. I left a little for helping with the husband in the hospital, and she's the one who helped the family. So beside that, what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I'm coming back, and I'm gonna come back with few stuff that I brought from America to give to people. And that lady Julie, actually the official, said that she will help me with that, which I needed someone who can help organize that. And what I'm gonna do, I will go to a place where they play basketball. I think it's somewhere they play basketball here, and that's where we'll find a lot of youth there. So yeah, but when I was coming inside this village, and this is like the main street of the village. This is like the main street. When I was coming here, they showed me a family. They are 4 they live with disability, and the father works in a place where they clean fish from 10 p.m., 11 p.m. until morning. And this is the guy who physically weak, but want to work for the family. And I will show you where they live. It's a very, very critical and heart-touching. But again, when I see something like that, I found that it's another opportunity to harvest a blessing. So I'm gonna come tomorrow.